everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम रीजनिंग की क्लास करने वाले हैं जो कि सीरीज़ की क्लास है। ऑलरेडी हमने वर्बल रीजनिंग आज की डेट से पहले हमने जो लास्ट क्लास किया था जो कि आपका क्लास 174 है। 173 क्लासेस में हमने वर्बल रीजनिंग को कंप्लीट कर दिया है। नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग आज जो कि हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। First of all, it's a huge request to all the subscribers and all the viewers, those who had not subscribed our channel, please go through with the subscribe button and like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once here. In this topic, this is very important because non-verbal reasoning हम आज start करने वाले हैं. This is the topic, that is the first topic is series. इसमें approximately हम 1000 questions के आसपास questions करने वाले हैं इस topic में, and जो कि बहुत important topic भी है और इसके questions भी बहुत आते हैं, इसलिए इसकी length 1000 के आसपास जाएगी। ऐसे अभी तक के जितने क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने किए हैं वो 500 से ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट ये 1000 के ऊपर जाएगा फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे पूछे जाते हैं और बहुत सारे कंपटीशन से में पूछे जाते हैं, इस वजह से ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। एंड सेकेंडली, अगर मैं टॉपिक्स की बात करते हैं जो कि हमने वर्बल रीजनिंग में कंप्लीट किया, बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स है, सो आई विल राइट इट डाउन सम ऑफ द थिंग्स। दैट इज़ द एनालॉजी हमने डिस्कस किया है, जो कि वर्बल रीजनिंग में पहला पार्ट था आपका जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी का, एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट इज लॉजिक रीजनिंग। तो पहले जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी की बात करते थे। एनालॉजी हमने डिस्कस किया है, क्लासिफिकेशन किया है, फिर सीरीज कंप्लीशन किया है, देन वी हैड डन कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, देन वी हैड डन ब्लड रिलेशन, देन वी हैड डन पजल टेस्ट, एंड देन वी हैड डन सीक्वेंशियल आउटपुट ट्रेसिंग, देन वी हैड डन द डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट। आई विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन बिकॉज बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स हमने ऑलरेडी 30 टॉपिक्स नियर अबाउट कर चुके हैं, एंड ये आपका 30 से भी ज़्यादा टॉपिक कर चुके हैं। दिस इज योर ऑफ कोर्स 31st टॉपिक हियर। इन द रेफरेंस टू डायरेक्शन सेंस टेस्ट, देन वी हैड डन a logical Venn diagram, then we had done alphabet test, and then after that we had done your number ranking and a time sequence test here. फिर मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन किया है, लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ वर्ड्स किया है, उसके बाद अरिथमेटिक रीजनिंग किया है, उसके बाद इंसर्टिंग द मिसिंग कैरेक्टर किया है, उसके बाद हमने डेटा सफिशिएंसी किया है, डिसीजन मेकिंग किया है, असर्शंस एंड रीजन किया है, देन फिर हमने किया है सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट, एंड देन वी हैव डन वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द ट्रुथ ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट। उसके बाद अगर हम टॉपिक्स की और बात करते हैं तो फिर उसके बाद हमने जो डिस्कस किया है वो लॉजिक स्टार्ट कर दिया है, एंड लॉजिक रीजनिंग में हमने लॉजिक कंप्लीट कर लिया है, स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट्स किया है, स्टेटमेंट अजम्पशंस किए हैं, फिर स्टेटमेंट कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन किया है, फिर स्टेटमेंट कंक्लूशन किया है, उसके बाद हमने किया है डिराइविंग कंक्लूशन फ्रॉम पैसेजेस, देन वी हैड डन थीम डिटेक्शन, उसके बाद हमने क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट किया है, उसके बाद हमने मिसलेनियस लॉजिकल पजल्स किया है। सो ऑलरेडी हमने 30th टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट कर लिया है, यू कैन जस्ट काउंट इट डाउन, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट विल स्टार्ट विद 31st टॉपिक, एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, एंड यू कैन जस्ट share these videos. So starting with the series here, that is this chapter deals with the problems based on the continuations of figure. There are the various types of the problem on series, but the theme in each of these is the same. There is a sequence of figures depicting a change step by step. Either one of these figures is out of the order and has to be omitted or as figure, and has a selected from a separate set of figures which would continue the sequence here. In the regard of it, basically एक पैटर्न ऑफ सीक्वेंस दिया गया होगा जिसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको देखना है कि नेक्स्ट इस फिगर के बाद कौन सा नेक्स्ट पैटर्न जो कि एक्चुअली उस क्वेश्चन में फॉलो किया जा रहा है, उस पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग आपको उसको सेलेक्ट करना है, देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू बी पुट देन आंसर हियर। सो हियर एक आपको प्रॉब्लम फिगर्स दिए होंगे, आपको आंसर्स फिगर दिए होंगे, यू हैव टू चूज के आंसर फिगर्स में से उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप कौन सा होगा। फॉर द टुडेज फॉर द सीरीज हियर, दैट इज अ टाइप 1, दिस इज द 5 फिगर सीरीज। यहाँ पे 5 फिगर आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन में 5 फिगर्स मिलेंगे, 5 फिगर्स मिलेंगे जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन पैटर्न प्रॉब्लम फिगर्स में भी होंगे एंड आंसर्स फिगर्स में भी होंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट द अनदर वन, द 6th फिगर हियर। Let's go ahead with it, and that we have is this type of a problem on the series consists of the 5 figures that are numbered as ABCD, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ABCD नंबर्ड होंगे जो कि आपके फिगर दिए होंगे जो कि आपका प्रॉब्लम फिगर्स होंगे, and that forming the problem set that following by the 5 other figures, that is number 1 2 3 4 5, forming the set, the answer set here, that is the answer figure. The first 5 consecutive problems figure from a definite sequence, it is required to choose one of the figure from the answer set which continue the same sequence. तो इसमें जो continuous आपको pattern sequence दिख रहे होंगे उसके according आपको answers figures में से उसका जो suitable figure pattern होगा वो आपको choose करना है, and after that you have to answer it. Let's go ahead with the question here, that without wasting a time, and here you can see that here this is the first figure and first question of the session as well. In the regard of it, we can see that there is a question that is the first in the figure A, that is a single line here that has been represented, and then after that in the second figure, that is just a figure B here. In the regard of it, B figure, we have a line and then we have an arrow here. For the C figure, that we have as a line and then फिर arrow, and then after that फिर again we have a line here. And then for the D here, we'll go ahead with this that we have pattern here, that is your line, then after the line, and then we have an arrow here, and then after that line, arrow, then an line here. In the C figure, the D is the line, arrow, then line, and then arrow. This is the D figure and this is line, arrow, arrow, and then of course line. तो इस सीक्वेंस में अगर आप चेक करोगे तो आपको दिख रहा होगा पहले एक लाइन है, फिर लाइन के बाद एरो है, फिर सेकंड फिगर में लाइन, एरो, फिर लाइन है, फिर लाइन, एरो, लाइन है, लाइन, एरो है. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप देख सकते हो आपका यही पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. तो इसके बाद वाला जो होना चाहिए वो लाइन, एरो एंड देन लाइन, एरो होना चाहिए. लेट्स गो अहेड विद आंसर फिगर्स हियर, एंड दैट व्हाट वी हैव इज, पहले है एरो, फिर इसके बाद है लाइन, फिर एरो है, फिर लाइन है, फिर एरो है, फिर लाइन है. पर यहाँ पे लाइन से शुरू हुआ है तो ये तो एक फिगर नहीं हो सकता. एंड फॉर दैट पॉसिबिलिटीज़ अगर हम इसकी बात करते हैं, आप देख सकते हो सारे जो एरो है वो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट से राइट वन है. तो इधर देखते हैं तो इधर ये पहले राइट से लेफ्ट वन है, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता, इसकी भी कोई पॉसिबिलिटी है नहीं. और फिर भी ये स्टार्ट भी किया गया है आपका फ्रॉम द एरो, तो एरो से वैसे भी नहीं है, तो ये वाला भी फिगर नहीं हुआ. फॉर द थर्ड फिगर की अगर हम गॉन थ्रू करते हैं, सो यू कैन जस्ट सी द लाइन, देन फिर एरो है, फिर लाइन है, फिर एरो है, फिर लाइन है. बट दिस इज फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट हियर, बट हमें क्या चाहिए फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. दिस इज अ पैटर्न हैज बीन फॉलोइंग, सो द थर्ड फिगर इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल हियर. लेट्स गो अहेड with another one, and that what we have is here, that is the line, arrow, then line, and then arrow, then of course line, and then arrow. इसके हिसाब से बाद लाइन के बाद एरो होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए पॉसिबिलिटीज जो है वो हमें लग रही है कि फोर्थ फिगर होना चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स गो अहेड विद अनदर फिगर एज वेल, दैट व्हाट वी कंक्लूडेड. एंड हियर फॉर दैट सेक वी हैव अ लाइन, देन एरो, देन लाइन, फिर रिवर्ट ऑर्डर हो गया, एंड देन आफ्टर देन फिर लाइन, और फिर उसके बाद फिर वो आपका ऐसे एरो आ रहा है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ये भी नहीं हो सकता. तो उसके हिसाब से अगर हम फिगर को चेक आउट करते हैं तो उस हिसाब से हमें जो लग रहा है वो आपका फोर्थ फिगर लग रहा है. एंड व्हाइल यू आर सॉल्विंग, यू जस्ट ऑल्सो आंसर इट आउट इन कमेंट सेक्शन दैट कि आपको क्या लग रहा है. According to this, if I'm talking about in each of these questions, so clearly the arrows are on the straight lines and are added alternately to get the subsequent figure, and also all the arrows are pointed towards the right. So here for that answer will be your fourth here, so that is the fourth figure will be your answer here. We can just write it down, the fourth one here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that we have is your second problem. As you can see here, that we have is that the problem figure is this is an arrow from here, this is a figure A, this is a B, the C, D and E. This is 1 2 3 4 5. This is an answer figure. पहले ये साइड था arrow, फिर उसके बाद ये स्ट्रेट हो गया, फिर उसके बाद इधर हो गया, फिर इधर साइड हो गया, फिर अब इस साइड हो गया. तो ऑब्वियसली बात है, आप देखते हो 1 के बाद 1 शिफ्टिंग हो रही है, एरो है, फिर नेक्स्ट एरो सेकंड में, फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पे, फिर यहाँ पे, और फिर यहाँ पे. तो अब एरो जो होना चाहिए वो ऑफकोर्स डाउनवर्ड होना चाहिए. लेट्स गो अहेड, यहाँ पे नहीं है, ये तो बिल्कुल इधर ही साइड का कॉपीड है, तो ये फॉर्म नहीं हो सकता. फिर ये भी, ये जो है वो डाउनवर्ड टाइप का है, ये इधर है तो ये नहीं हो सकता, ये साइड है नहीं हो सकता, ये दोनों तरफ है तो नहीं हो सकता. फॉर दैट से अगर मैं बात करती हूँ यहाँ पे, here the arrows rotate the one step clockwise in every subsequent figure, so where the answer would be, or the answer figure 2 here, and that will be the answer, will be the answer 2 here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have your third question of the session here. The problem figure is, this is a pointed and then arrow, then pointed and arrow, then pointed and arrow, then pointed and arrow, and then pointed and arrow. The answer figures we have is here, the arrow is goes towards the point side, then pointed and arrow, pointed and arrow, pointed and arrow on the same side, and a pointed and arrow and upward and the same side. In the regard of this particular question, in this case the pen rotates 90 degree, as you can see here. यहाँ पे था, फिर ये 90 डिग्री रोटेट किया, यहाँ पहुँच गया, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ 90 डिग्री रोटेट किया तो यहाँ हो गया, फिर यहाँ से 90 डिग्री रोटेट किया, यहाँ हो गया, फिर 90 डिग्री यहाँ रोटेट किया, यहाँ हो गया. तो इन दिस 90 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ये रोटेट करा 90 डिग्री इन ईच स्टेप. So for that sake we will have a 90 degree rotation here also, and where will be having a pin that is in the figure, that is will be the C here, because ये 90 degree होगा rotate, यहाँ होगा anti-clockwise. So figure 3 will be the right answer. So we'll go ahead with the figure 3 here. Let's go ahead with another question, and that what we have is your question number 4th question of the session here. that is in the problem figure. The A problem figure is the A. This is so only the triangle here. ट्रायंगल के बाद है आपका रेक्टेंगल, फिर ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल, फिर ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल एंड माइनस, देन ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल एंड माइनस, एंड देन आफ्टर देन प्लस, वन ऑन वन ऐड हो रहा है. अब इसके बाद क्या होगा, देन ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल, सर्कल एंड देन वी हैव प्लस. तो यहाँ पे तो माइनस था, तो ये तो नई पॉसिबिलिटीज दिख रही है. लेट्स गो अहेड विद अनदर वन. दिस इज स्क्वायर, यहाँ से ट्रायंगल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. ये मल्टीप्लाई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. ये ट्रायंगल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, लेट्स गो अहेड. ट्रायंगल के बाद सर्कल है, बट यहाँ पे तो मुझे स्क्वायर चाहिए, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. ट्रायंगल स्क्वायर है, ठीक है, सर्कल है ये, ठीक है, माइनस भी है, ठीक है, प्लस भी है, फिर स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई, देन यस. तो फिगर 5 लग रहा है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट न्यू सिंबल्स आर एडेड इन ईच स्टेप इन ईच सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर. So hence the answer would be the figure 5th here, and that would be the right answer. So you can go through with the figure 5th here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 5th question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. For the 5th question here that we have is a problem figure. This is the one like this, and then we have it we have a figure like this, and then we have a figure like this. Then after that in the answer sheet we have a figure this, and so on. In the regard of it, if I'm talking about where in this pattern, the following pattern, where each of the following questions consist of the 5 figures that is marked as A, B, C, D, as I told you, and here that are called the problem figures, and that is followed from the figures that is marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is called as answer figure, and select the figure with the amongst the answer, and figure out which out of the continue the same signs is to be established in the 5 figures here. In the regard of it, if I'm talking about with the reference towards the figure here, in these cases we can say that for this that the 2, 3 and then 4, 5 and half leaves are added subsequently. So here you can see that the first we have here the 2 leaves, and then after the 3, then of course then we have 4 and then 5. So according to the pattern here what they are following, so we'll go ahead and we are adding all these, and for that sake we have an answer, and that will be your answer first, and that figure A will be the right answer for this question here. So you will go ahead with the first one here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 6th question of the session here, and that what we have is the problem figure is, you can see ahead, and this is a tip that is downward, then after that this figure here it is, and here it is, here it is, and here it is. This is ABCDE, that is a problem figure. This is the answer sheet that is going to be here, then this, and then that. Of course after that you will just see the rotations. यहाँ पे था, फिर उसके बाद 1 skip करके यहाँ पे गया, यहाँ पे था तो उसने डायरेक्टली विदाउट स्किपिंग के यहाँ पे गया, यहाँ से बाद फिर उसने 1, 2 स्किप करके वहाँ पे गया, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट विदाउट स्किपिंग यहाँ पे गया, तो 2 स्किप किया, तो अकॉर्डिंगली उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे 3rd पे होना चाहिए. लेट्स सी इट दैट द फिगर रोटेट्स द sequential order. First it rotates towards the 2 here, then 2 गया, फिर उसके बाद फिर वो 1 लीव किया उसने, फिर 3 गया, फिर 1 लीव किया, फिर उसके बाद 4 लीव किया उसने. तो इस तरह से वो स्टेप्स को फॉरवर्ड करेगा, एंड फॉर दैट सेक द स्टेप्स इन दैट इन अ क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. सो विल गो अहेड विद द फिगर हियर, दैट विल बी it will be because the 1, 2, 3 and it will come here. So that will be the answer is to be that the figure 5th, and that will be the right answer. This has been asked in the BSRB question paper, so that is very important reference to the competition wise. Let's go ahead with the 7th question of the session, that the problem figure we have and the answer figure we have is that as you can see the double arrows in 90 degree, and this and this and this and this. This is ABCDE, and then after that the answer sheet answer figures we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the figures that have been asked, and according to this pattern, where we can see that the smaller arrows rotate to the ACW through the 90 degree and 45 degree alternatively, while the bigger arrow rotates through 135 degree, that is CW, in each of the cases here. So in the regard of it, the answer would be here, you can see that, and then after that it will be your answer figure would be your the figure 4 here, that will rotate it. So here answer will be your that is the figure 4. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is the 8th question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. This is a problem figure. You can see that all are in the this is a greater sign. This is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. Then after that 1 in the less than sign, greater than sign, less than sign. This is a pattern that they had followed, A, B, C, D, E, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In accordance of that, we can say that one arrow ahead that reverses its directions in each step. In the figure that we can say that after this rotations we'll go ahead with the figure 2, that is the answer will be the answer, that is your answer 2 figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the ninth question of the session, and that the problem figure we have is, this is a sort of a 6 has been written in unsecled, and this is a B figure, C figure, D and E. So for this is the answers are a figure. There's a 1 2 3 4 5 here. In the reference towards it, we can say that here, and the outer cup that shaped that figure that rotate 45 degree and 90 degree, and that is alternatively, and the inner figures that rotate 90 degree and the 45 degree that alternate and gets the alternatively invert a line in each time. And for that sake, we will say that after this we will be having a fourth figure that will be the right answer for this answer. So the answer would be the fourth figure here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is in the reference towards it each and every question. So we'll go ahead with another one, and that what we have is your 10th question of the session. The problem figure we have is that is this A, B, C, D, E, and then 1 2 3 4 5. This has been asked in the SBI PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about here. In the regard of it, according to the leaves here, that 2.5 leaves are alternatively added to the figure, and to the figure contain the 45 degree, and with regard of it we'll consider that the answer for after this will be having a figure that is figure A 1, and that will be the one figure will be the right answer here. Let's go ahead with an 11th question of the session here, and that what we have as an answer, and in the reference towards it, that the problem figure we have is that is A, B, C, D, E, and then 1 2 3 4 5 here. In the reference towards it, we can say that the figure rotate 45 degree 90 degree alternatively, and in each steps, and the figures of that rod end towards the line in the replaced by a new one, and the straight line at the other end of the line changes alternatively into the arrowhead. And with regard of it, after this figure we can say that we will be having a figure that will be in the figure 5 here, and that will be the right answer. So we'll go ahead with the fifth figure as an answer. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is another question, and that is the 12th question of the session here. And that what we have is the problem figure that is A, B, C, D, E, and there we have, and the answer figure we have is 1 2 3 4 5 here. In the regard of it, we can say that the arrows moves through the order here, that is the 1, and then after that they skip from the 2, then 3, and then 4. So step there with the similar arrowheads that reappears in every third step. So in the reference towards it, we can say that after this we'll go ahead with the figure 5th, and that will be the right answer for this question here as well. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is another question here, and that is your 13th question of the session here. And the problem figures we have is your A, B, C, D, E, and then the problem answer figures we have is the 1 2 3 4 5 here. And this is very important because this has been asked in the NABERT question paper. The colored figure is this, then after this, then that, this, and then this, and this. After the rotations of these each and every shape, there what you have to that the shading rotates through the 2 and the 3 steps alternatively in the clockwise direction here. Then after that 2 1 skip, then second, फिर इसके 3 छोड़ा 1 2 यहाँ पे थर्ड वाले में, फिर इसके बाद 1 यहाँ पे दूसरे में पहुँच गया, फिर इसके बाद फिर यहाँ पे 1 2 3 थर्ड जोड़ा यहाँ पे है, इसके बाद फिर सेकंड आएगा यहाँ पे छोड़ के यहाँ पे वाला फिगर आएगा. एंड फॉर दैट विल गो अहेड विद एन ऑप्शन, एंड दैट यहाँ पे कौन सा है, and where wait we have here, and then of course here that will be the answer in the reference towards it, and we'll go ahead with option 5th will be the right answer. That is the figure 5th will be the right answer for this question here as well. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is another question here, and where that will be the 14th question of the session as well. In the 14th question of the session, you can see that the problem figure that is A, B, C, D, E, and then after that answer figures is 1 2 3 4 5, and in the regard of it each and every question, let's go ahead with the answer here. In each steps the circle shifts towards the next corner in the anti-clockwise direction, and then the other figure shifts to the next corner in the clockwise direction. And for that sake, after this we'll have an that is a figure, that is the fourth figure will be the right answer for this question here as well. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is in the reference towards it, and that is your 15th question of the session here. That is the problem figure is, as you can see, that is represented A, B, C, D, E, and then after that for the answer figure is 1 2 3 4 5 in the reference towards this, because this has been asked in the BSRB question paper here. The arrows moves toward the CW, that is your anti-clockwise direction, that is of 90 degree, and that 45 degree alternatively, and the pen moves the clockwise 90 degree and 45 alternatively. And for that sake we will have a figure that will be, after this we have an answer, that is a figure 4th will be the right answer for this question. So we'll go ahead with the 4th figure here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is your another question, that is your 16th question of the session here. And that what we have is the problem figure we have is A, B, C, D, E, and then the answer figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the reference towards each and every question here. With regard of it, that the first, it is a plus sign, and then of plus sign, and that moves 2 steps anti-clockwise equals to, and the sign moves a step anti-clockwise, and next the plus sign moves 1 step anti-clockwise, and equal sign moves 2 sign anti-clockwise. And with regard of it, yes, that we can say that the answer after this figure we have an answer, that is a figure 1, and that will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 17th question of the session. The problem figure we have is A, B, C, D, E, and then the answer figure we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has been asked in the bank PO question paper here. In the regard of it here, the lines rotates in a clockwise direction, and half and a full line is alternatively added to other figure. And for that sake, after this we have an answer that will be the will be the answer. Next is of a figure 1 here itself. The rotation has been taken, that is this, then this, then this, then this, and this, and then that. Okay, after that they have to be added on one on another. We'll go ahead with another one, and that is your 18th question of the session, and that the problem figure we have is the A, B, C, D, E, and then after that answer figure we have is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And according to the figures here in the reference towards it, the lines rotates in a clockwise direction, and half in the full line in the that has been that has been issued here. Now with regard of it, here the one extra line is added in each step in the set pattern, and for that sake we will have an answer, that is your answer. After this we have a figure of 5th will be the right answer, and for that sake the answer 5th will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is another question here, and that is your 19th question of the session. The problem figure is the A, B, C, D, E, and then after that answer figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has been asked in this SBI PO question paper, and that is your that all the lines in the square moves the 45 degree anti-clockwise. In each steps of the shading moves the steps anti-clockwise here, and for that sake, and after this we'll have a figure that is your first figure only, and that is the first will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is a 20th figure, and the question of the session, that the problem figure and the answer figure. Problem figure we have a dotted that is 4, 4, and then 4, and 4, then 1 cross, then 3, and then 3. Then after that 4 cross 2 dots, and the cross, then 2 dots, then 4, and then cross dot to cross dot, and then after that in the next figure dot cross space, then dot, and then cross dot cross dot. And in the following figure we have a figure 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, 5, and as well as the following, and all the lines in the squares moves 45 degree accordingly. And we are in the regard of it with the reference to the question here, the 2 dots are lost, and 1 cross appears in each of the subsequent figure. And for that sake, after this we'll be having the answer, that is the figure 3 will be the right answer for this question, and the answer figure 3 will be the right answer here for the question. Let's go ahead with another one, and that what we have is another question, and that is the 21st question of the session, the problem figure and the answer figure as well. In the case here, that is the problem figure we have is plus minus triangle, then square, this is a rectangle, that is shaded circle, then hollow circle, minus rectangle, that is the rectangle, triangle, then hollow circle, and then circle, and then plus, of course, that is an anti-rotation. And then after that minus plus hollow circle, then shaded circle, and then rectangle, and then of course triangle. This is the figure C, and then after D, and then E. Then after that the following answer will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the recording of that, the one of the symbols shifts by the 2 steps in each of the subsequent figure in the sequence. And for that sake, after this we'll have a figure that is your fourth figure will be the right answer. So where we can say that the fourth figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is the 22nd question of the session, the problem figures and the answer figure as well. This is the A figure, this is B, this is C, D, and this is E. 1 2 3 4 5 here. In each of the question here, in each steps the symbols moves in the order like that it goes. I will just make it out. दिस इज़ फॉलोइंग. यहाँ का वाला फिगर ये यहाँ गया, फिर यहाँ वाला जो फिगर था वो यहाँ गया, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट ये जो यहाँ वाला फिगर है वो आपका ऑब्वियस सी बात है यहाँ गया. ये वाला फिगर यहाँ गया और ये वाला फिगर यहाँ गया. So this is all total rotations has been taken here, and for that sake we'll go ahead, and after that I will have a shift, and that will be having a second figure that will be the right answer for this question here. We'll go ahead with the second answer that will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one here. So here we'll go ahead with the 23rd question, that's the problem figure and the answer figure. This is A figure, this is B figure, this is C, this is D, this is E. This is 1 2 3 4 and then 5 we have, and according to that the arrows moves vertically and the arrow heads moves horizontally and reverse its directions in each step. The other symbols moves the half of one and one of the half then side to the square anti-clockwise subsequently, and replace from a dots of a plus sign, and then the start again, and then again to the dot here. And for that sake, after this we'll be having another figure that will be the fourth figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with another one, and that is your 24th question of the session here. As you can see, the problem that figure we have is your A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and then after that this is 1 2 3 and then 4 and then of course 5 here. This has been asking the bank pure question paper here. According to the figure, what they had mentioned you here is that the symbols moves in the order that each of the line each of the symbol that reaches the lower left corner that get replaced by a new one, and that the order what they had following here is the pattern that they had following is like it will go here, and this intercal will be coming here, date is coming here, and that is going here. So each of the replacing like that only, and for that sake we will be having a figure that is the fifth figure will be the right answer for this question here. Let's go ahead with the 25th question of the session. That what we have is the problem figure, that the figure A that we have, B, then C, then D, and then E. This is 1 2 3 4 and of course the 5 one. Here in the references and all these questions will go ahead, and with the regard of it we have each time an arrow moves from one step clockwise and gets inverted, and the circles moves one step clockwise and with the white sector increasing by an angle of 45 degree. So after this we'll be having a figure that will be the third figure will be the right answer for this question here, and that will be the right answer for this question. So we'll go ahead with the third one here. Let's go ahead with another one, that is the 26th question of the session here, and the problem figure, as you can see, this is a problem figure. This is the figure A, B, this is C, D, and this is E. This is 1 2 3 4 and then 5 here. With regard of it figures here, in this each time if we can see that with regard of it in each of the questions here, in the reference towards it that the two symbols move the clockwise from the side to side and then alternately replaced by the new symbols, and for that sake after that we'll be having another figure that is a figure 1 will be the right answer for this question here, and so we can say that the option first will be the right answer for this question. Let's go ahead with another one that we have here is here in the case we will be ending up this session, and first of all it's a huge request to all of you, please go through with the subscribe and like, share and subscribe our channel. As I told you about this, that we had covered up with the reasoning, that as I told you, reasoning has been divided into the two parts, that is the verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning. In the verbal reasoning, that has been divided into two, that is general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In the general mental ability, that is the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, parcel test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking and time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, verification of the truth of the statement. That what we had covered up. In the logic reasoning, we had covered up logic, statements, argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from the passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzle as well. Then after that we had started with we had started in today's class non-verbal reasoning, that we had started with a series here एंड देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग एज आई टोल्ड यू 1000 के आसपास हम क्वेश्चन इसमें करने वाले हैं। तो अभी तो सिर्फ 26 हुआ है, तो ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है। यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू विद दैट एंड यू कैन लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल एज वेल। सीरीज़ के बाद हम एनालॉजी कवर अप करेंगे, जिसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगने वाला है। क्लासिफिकेशन करेंगे, देन एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग, मिरर इमेज, वाटर इमेज, एम्बेडेड फिगर, कंप्लीशंस ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट पैटर्न, फिगर मैट्रिक्स, पेपर फोल्डिंग, पेपर कटिंग, rule detections, grouping of identical figures, groups and dice, third situation, constructions of squares and triangles, figure formation analysis, and then we will discuss the practice question paper that was very important towards the competition wise if I'm talking about it. So first of all, it's a huge request to all of you, please go through with the subscribe button and like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.